Welcome to An Oven Cake and Cookies. Looking for a quick and tasty evening snack? Today we are making instant puff rice snacks that are crispy outside, soft inside, and made with simple everyday ingredients. They are easy to prepare and perfect with a cup of tea. Let's start the recipe. First, take 1 cup puff rice. Wash it gently with water. Puff rice is light, airy, and commonly used in many traditional snacks. Squeeze out the water from the puff rice. Puff rice is light and low in fat before frying. Transfer the softened puff rice to a blender. Add half cup suji. Now add half cup curd. Curd adds a mild tangy flavor and improves the texture of the batter. Blend everything until you get a smooth batter. Let the mixture rest for 5 minutes so the suji can absorb the moisture. Curd adds calcium and gives the batter a soft texture. Now add 3 tablespoons finely chopped onion, 1 teaspoon chopped ginger. Mix 2 finely chopped green chilies. Add 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix everything well until all the ingredients are evenly combined. Lightly grease your hands with a little oil. Take small portion of the mixture and shape them as shown. Heat enough oil over medium heat. Carefully place the snacks into the hot oil. Suji helps create a crispy outside while keeping the inside soft. Fry until they turn golden brown and beautifully crispy on all sides. Your homemade instant puff rice snacks are ready. Crispy, flavorful, and incredibly easy to make. These snacks are perfect for tea time, family gathering, or whenever you need a quick bite. Serve them hot with ketchup, green chutney, or your favorite dipping sauce. Give this recipe a try and enjoy it fresh and hot. Follow An Oven Cake and Cookies for more simple recipes, delicious snacks, and baking inspiration.